Hello everyone, I am back. Don't mind my hair. I'm getting ready to prep it for today. So I am reviewing today the new Kiss Falscara lashes. Now I was really excited for this. I was really excited for this for a few reasons. One, I'm not a huge lash fan. I'm just not. The reason being, I mean, one, it takes me a while to put them on, so I'm not always like super excited about it. Two, I just think they're personally really bad for your eyelashes because I have seen some traumatic stuff happen to people before, so I'm not a huge fan. And then three, I wash my face really rough. Like, I'm like, so they would just pop off for me. So I don't want to spend $100 on something. It's only going to last a little bit. So I'm reviewing these today, and I'm actually going to be putting them on today. I saw a video on here, and it was the girl did them really fast. And to be honest, I thought I would do my own video because the way that she did them, she's a professional lash applicator, whatever you want to call it, professional. So I was just like, she was like, oh, I'm like, nah, that is not how it's about to go down. So they have 3 easy directions on the front. It says brush on bond, place with underneath, lock in with seal. The back says the same thing, so I'm literally going to be doing this as we go. Bonding time, brush a light color bond onto natural lashes. A little goes a long way. Put the wisp under lashes. So it says, including use the applicator to pluck a wisp from the tray. As shown, pick up one from the outer and one by one place it underneath the base of your natural lashes, slightly away from the waterline. Then seal the deal. Dab on a thin coat of seal under wisp. This final touch eliminates any sticky residue and holds Falscara wisp in place. Okay, so we have this. It's not that pointy, but pointy enough if you don't do enough lashes, if you don't do lashes on the regular, like myself. And then we have this. So we have the seals on this side, the bonds on this side. So you start with the bond and then you end with the seal. And then we have the actual lashes. So I'm not going to use all of them. I'm only going to use probably like half of them maybe, because I don't think I need to use all of them. So it comes out this way. So we're just gonna, I'm really trying to do it just for my ends. Now, heads up, I have on mascara. I don't know if I was supposed to do that, but now these are really tricky. Now, you see what I'm saying? Like, the way she was doing it, she was just like popping them on. And so this is underneath now. Underneath your lashes. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, that was not that bad. Oh, snap. Wow. That is amazing. I'm not gonna lie, I'm just gonna put on 2 and then I'm gonna seal it. I was talking all that chat. Now let's actually see like how this actually works. So I'm sealing it, I'm sealing it, I'm sealing it. I just wanted to put a little length at the end. All right, so here's not done and done. I don't know if you can see it from the side. See it from the side. I'm not gonna lie, that was actually a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. I could probably do my, oh, wait a second. It's moving. Oh, it's like coming off. It's coming off. Oh snap, I must have put it on the wrong spot. Wow, I actually just touched my eye with that thing. Let me see. I just want to read it again. Under, it says to place it underneath. No, underneath. Yeah, I did it underneath. Wow, this thing's popping off right now. I can like literally feel it coming off. So this is, so I don't know if I should just seal it. Wow, this is great. We're doing this, huh? Because all right, so I'm gonna try the other side. I think I'm gonna try it by doing a little bit at a time. So I'm gonna put a little bit on the, I'm gonna put some on the end. Okay. Taking them off the thing is not as easy as it looks, because they do not want to come off. So yeah, that was really interesting. So I guess my main question would be, I'm gonna seal it now. I'm just doing one at a time now. I was trying to do too much last time, I think, and I probably done messed it up. I know y'all are probably like, why is she doing all this? We want to see the finished product. Yes, I do too. But I think it's really important to actually, because I watched the last video and I saw the person do the whole thing, but let me tell you, I put them on the wrong place. Hold on. Okay, so I just realized something. I think if you put lashes on all the time, this is going to be like a piece of cake for you. Like literally, it's going to be a piece of cake for you. But for someone like me that does not use them all the time, it's hard. It's hard as heck. But yeah. So that is the finished product. Thank you guys for watching. I'm glad that you got a chance to actually see them. I put a little bit too much applicator on the side, but I wanted to make sure it was sealed in. So,